Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at a beautiful single wide by Southern Energy Homes. It's called the Alexander. This home is really stunning with some of the residential features that it has in it. I'm super excited to show it to you. Not a lot of customization options, but they made sure that it felt like home. You definitely feel the vibe of coziness, but also the different features that help make it right. Walking along the outside, you can see this really dark carbon vinyl color. It is really striking, especially with the real wood shutters all along the front. One of the neat things about this home is both doors, front and back, can be kind of set up to be either or the way they are. They're very residential feel. It's a 8-pane door here with a good wood look, storm door on the front as well. Now there's no carpet in this house, which is something I've seen more and more people every day is choosing that. You can see here, you got a wide open living room, gives you a ton of space. I'm kind of conflicted about it, but I do like these windows here so you can put your couch under it. You don't have to worry about blocking in natural light, and you still get plenty of light in the home here. Y'all see it's painted sheetrock throughout the home. Has the flat molding along the top and quite a few cabinets in the kitchen area right off the living room. But it's also even got these shelves here for extra look. Now another great thing is this is a solid surface island here. So it's a little bit more durable than your standard Formica. And they do have the rolled edge Formica here on the other counters in this room, as well as you see the little accent tile backsplash right there and a full tile backsplash right here. So when you are popping out that bacon grease, it's easy to clean up. I missed doing a tour of this house the first time it came in, and so I'm really happy we ordered it again so I can give you a nice little tour of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Good sized drawers. It's got the smooth top stove here. Of course, because it is Southern Energy, it's a very energy efficient home. They're gonna make sure that you don't have that high light bill. And you got that large farm sink. It's an undermount because of that solid surface. And don't forget your dishwasher and your nice side-by-side fridge over here. Plenty of storage as well in all your cabinets. Those rubber bands they put on there, that's for transport. Make sure that they're not popping open as you're traveling. Another little great feature in this house is this nice little coffee bar over here. Got the little accent shelves as well. Put your favorite mugs up there. And of course, I love it in single wides when they have their own utility room, which this one does. So that's a really great feature here. See if we can see in the dark a little bit. You got the shelf above the washer dryer, your whole home shutoff valve, and your dryer is already vented to the outside when you connect it. Full-size breaker box here. Add that hot tub to your porch out back or shop or carport. It's always nice. And then right behind these two doors, you got where your A-coil will go for your central AC unit, as well as your water heater. Another great feature they're doing now is all these homes are shipping with a dehumidifier drain already installed. As you know, moisture kills homes, so you can see your little drain right there. You can go ahead and attach it. And then there's your other door I was kind of mentioning. Gives still that residential feel, doesn't look like your standard mobile home door. And guys, it's really hot outside, and a lot of people are like, with that dark exterior, it's gotta be warm in there. This little one window unit, cheapest one from Walmart, is keeping this whole home cool and comfortable to shop in while it's about 95 degrees outside. You got a large thermopane window in here. Of course, y'all see the blinds are included with this home, and they do fold out, so easy clean. And it's a good sized closet as well. This is bedroom number 2. We'll go check out bedroom number 3 and the guest bathroom. So as you can see, it is the porcelain sinks. They got the square style here. Got your mirror already set up for you. And the elongated toilet and a fiberglass tub shower combo. That fiberglass is great because it is repairable, so it's not like those plastics where once they crack you gotta replace it. This is bedroom 3. It's a little bit larger, I think, than the other one. And it's still got another nice big thermopane window in here, the blinds, and an actually slightly bigger closet as well. This is great for the family just starting out, or if you're downsizing. And it's under 100,000 for this house. That's always nice. I think we got this one. It's a Wind Zone 2. We upgraded the insulation. The vents, of course, are in that ceiling. It's right at 97, 98,000, somewhere around there. This floor is really pretty as well. And like I said, no carpet in the whole home. I'm really loving everything they managed to fit in here. There's not a formal dining area, but there is enough room in here. You could easily put a little cafe table, or just depending on how you want to set up, you could put a little bit larger one. Now we're walking into the master bedroom here, and it's got 2 large windows on the wall. I believe this one is definitely wide enough to fit a king size bed. And something you don't see in a lot of your single wides either is the closet is separate from your bathroom. So you have a separate closet over here. And it's got the double shelves on the sides. So you hang your long stuff in the center there. It's a good sized closet. Walking in, you have a double vanity. So you got a his and hers space. You know, you got separate toothpaste globs when you don't want to mingle those. Little extra storage cubbies right there. And then of course, right here, you got your cabinet stack. So you got a place to put toilet paper and towels. And we got your standard fiberglass shower here. It's got the little bench seat in the corner. And then it's got the rain shower head right there. Nothing super fancy about it, but it is private off to the side, across from your elongated commode. And then you got a huge soaker tub right here, and the frosted glass for privacy, but still get that natural light. And I love the built-in aspect of it. You can set some towels on here. You can put your adult beverage while you soak away and just have a great day. Now, if you have questions about this home or any of the homes here at Bolton Homes, I'd be happy to answer. My name is Travis. I'm your manufactured home nerd, and I'm here to help on all aspects of it, whether it's insurance, financing, all of it. I can get you the answers to your questions. And of course, give us a call at 318-487-1819 and go ahead and reach out to me on whatever platform you see this video as well. I'd be glad to help you. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out. And go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.